Hi everyone, this tutorial is on my post-apocalyptic mace. I think this is the most awesome way of using plastic forks. So I started with this tree branch and I put in this eyelet, eye screw, not sure what they're called in English, and I used some super glue to glue it in. Then I took these silver plastic forks and I used pliers to cut off the heads. Then with hot glue I glued the heads in the spot where I want them. Then I covered it all in some different thicknesses of rope and I glued down the bottom of the forks. Then I covered it all with some scrap fabric. I also covered the bottom with this scrap fabric. And then I went in with some watered down acrylic paint to dirty it up. I strung some bottle taps onto more of the rope and I just knocked this inside that lower loop. And I hung a lock on it just to make it look cool. Then I used some black acrylic paint to dirty this up and use paper towel to dab away the excess. I also did the same for the forks to make it look a bit dirtier. And that was it, a very quick mace to protect you at the end of the world. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more pictures of this costume, you can check out my Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to see more tutorials, you can subscribe to my channel.